How are you guys doing today? I missed you so much. Today we are having pizza and wings. This is a vegetarian pizza with pepperonis on it, sweet peppers, and I have some delicious sweet chili wings here. I'm ready to go in, y'all. I'm ready to go in. I don't want to waste no time. I got my hot sauce. Ready? Guys, I've been craving this. I just wanted a pizza. A really good pizza. Sometimes it's hard to find a really good pizza. This has onions, peppers, sweet peppers, mushrooms, and pepperoni. Y'all, I've been busy working all day. I've been on a beauty channel. I did this look, if you guys are interested in this look. Oh, I'm gonna tell you what I was drinking. I've been loving these hint. I got this from Costco, and it's just a hint. Literally, that's the perfect name for it. A hint of flavoring, but it's not like one of those flavorings that has like that nasty aftertaste, sugar-free taste, because I don't like drinks like that. It's literally a hint, like when you swallow it, you can taste the pineapple or whatever flavor it is. It tastes like water with just literally a hint. Like, that's the perfect name. And we got the delicious sweet chili wings, fried extra hard like I like it. Yummy. How are you guys doing? I feel so beautiful, you guys. I think orange is my new favorite color, you guys. This is the only orange that I own. And with the season changing and spring coming and the weather changing, I wanted to just put this on, and this is the energy that I felt today. And I got this for vacation, so I put it on, and I just was like, oh my god, let me do my makeup. And I love it, and it looks so pretty on me. So little by little, baby steps, I'm seeing what I like as far as color, because orange looks so beautiful on brown skin. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And I love it. I hope you all are doing amazing. Ooh, yes. Look at that, y'all. Yummy. You guys, this is delicious. Oh, I don't think I said tomatoes. It has tomatoes on it too. Banging. Banging. I think I just like anything loaded up. I really do. And this hot sauce, y'all, is so good. So banging. But yes, you guys, I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm doing wonderful. Had a great weekend. I hope you guys had a great weekend as well. They fry just perfect. It's perfect. Extra crispy. Oh my gosh, y'all. Tracy Braxton passed away, y'all. So sad. So sad. May she rest in peace. My thoughts and my prayers are with her and the family. Oh my gosh, y'all. You just never know what people are going through. You never know. People are battling stuff that you have no idea about, I'm telling you. That's one thing I love about these. They sauce these wings up. When they're not stingy with the sauce at all. They fry just perfect. Perfect. I do not like no flabby wings. I can't do it. Y'all, Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Y'all, this is banging. It's such a good feeling to be craving something and then you get it. Oh my gosh. It's like heaven. It's like a little piece of heaven. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. I've also been craving a burrito. I think I'm gonna have a burrito tomorrow. Mmm. A giant burrito from Chipotle. That sounds incredible. Mmm. Ooh, yes. Mmm. Ooh. Ooh, y'all, look. Mmm. Mmm. I did not know I would like a pizza like this. Mmm, 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 mmm. I usually always just stick to like pepperoni. I never get nothing else. Mmm. I have really been missing out. Mmm. Mmm. And the sweet peppers and the hot sauce. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. 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 Oh my gosh, y'all. I love it. I just feel so pretty. I feel so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. I look beautiful in orange. Beautiful. Like wow. Orange is like my new favorite color now. Now black is always gonna be my color, okay? Always. But orange, I was like, when I put it on and I saw myself in it, I was like, oh my gosh, orange is a new black. Orange is a new black. Oh my gosh. It's my color now. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh, y'all, this is saucy. Mmm. Woo. Mmm. 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 Extra, extra crispy. Mm. Ooh. Oh, y'all, look here. You want to bite? I'm sorry. I didn't even offer you any. I'm so sorry. I've been so busy worried about my food. Yeah, I didn't even offer you none. Here you go. Mmm. Here we go. Mmm. 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 Dang. Mm. 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 Y'all, I know I keep saying it, but it's banging. It really is banging. Whew. Ooh, here we go. I'm gonna do one more. Cause I'm getting full, y'all. Mm. 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 They so hard, I gotta be careful with my teeth. Mm. I'm not trying to crack my teeth. Mm. Mm. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so good. So banging. Mm. Vegetable pizza. Well, I guess it's not really vegetable anymore because it has pepperoni on it. But if you want to try it, ask for a pepperoni, ask for a vegetarian pizza or a vegetable pizza. I think some places put sweet peppers on it, but just ask if they put sweet peppers on it, and if they don't, tell them that you want sweet potatoes, sweet peppers on it, and pepperoni. Oh, with some wings, honey, and you good. Oh, y'all, this was so satisfying. Tomorrow I'm definitely doing a burrito because that's what I've been wanting to. Definitely want a loaded burrito, a big baby burrito. Yes. Y'all like when I eat the burritos too. It's frozen. All right, you guys, I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow eating a burrito from Chipotle. A baby burrito, a newborn baby burrito. Yes, that big. Super excited, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the orange. Oh my gosh, is the orange like just, oh my god, the orange is giving what it's supposed to give. I'm sorry. It's giving, like, I'm wearing orange. Like, all spring, all summer long. Orange, 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 orange. I love it. It looks so pretty. But anyway, you guys, I love you all so much. I will see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.